Yeah, you can design everything then put. But watercolor seems no useful. Because watercolor is watercolor. So I found a very good the way is I do the design is smaller. Just design a big one, a bigger, just like the first page, big, medium, small, pencils. Then I know where is my king, where is my prince, and the big, medium, small, and the different value, limited. Okay. Then I use this to make the first step to paint watercolor. Yes. When I paint the watercolor first, I follow my sketch, right? But my sketch not so complicated. Not complicated. So my watercolor will get more freedom, right? You know, if my sketch is very everything uncontrolled detail, okay, your watercolor will you are scared because you want to, because everything very obvious, very obvious, everything. So your watercolor too tight. Your watercolor will become too tight. But if you everything detail is everything you design is very good drawing, good sketch, very good masterpiece. This one, it's good, but some problem is if you paint too good, then your painting. Okay.
So you use that to make the big decisions.
Yes.
And then the littler decisions, the detailed decisions, you may
on the spot.
You resolve.
You have to respond to the watercolor.
Yes, with the watercolor.
Okay. What can I say? Maybe